What's up guys? Mike here from Mike and Curtis, back with another video. I hope everyone's having a great day or night whenever you guys are watching this. Today we are going to be unboxing the Rode Video Micro. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so on the front of the box it gives you a nice picture of the actual mic itself on top of the camera without the dead cat. When you turn it onto its side, it gives you the actual picture of the mic on the camera with the dead cat on it outside shooting, and then gives you the name at the bottom. On the other side of the box it gives you a little bit more information that we will talk about in a second, and then on the back it gives you a little bit more information and then shows you another picture of the mic, which has the dead cat kind of right here, but it's not completely covered. Just kind of showing you what it would look like with it on. And that's about it. So we're going to go ahead and jump into the box. Okay, so first thing we're going to get out of the box is the actual mic itself. And as you can see, this thing is pretty small. Feels relatively well built. Feels like a nice aluminum. There's your mic right there. Your audio jack in the back, and that's pretty much it for this little thing. And the next thing you get is the dead cat right here, which is that nice little ball of fur that blocks wind and helps your audio outside, and that just goes on, just fits over the mic like this. And then so after that you get your auxiliary cable, which plugs in from your camera to the mic itself. And it's this nice red and black, and then it also says Rode right there. And then the next big piece is your actual stand that goes on to the camera itself, which is just screwed on by this little thing. I don't know if I can. You just loosen it like that, and you can see where it goes in to the cold shoe mount, and it just holds the mic like that. And then has these nice little bumpers so it doesn't continuously move around, just to keep it a little bit more stable. The last two things you get is silica gel, throw that away. You also get some paperwork, just explaining how to set it up. Show that there, you get another nice little picture. Okay, so real quick, I got my Canon 70D and we're gonna look at how to set this up real quick. Okay, so first thing you're gonna want to do is make sure you have your camera right here. Then you're gonna take these two little pieces, the mic stand and microphone itself. I have mine, my other one that I'm using with this, just a tad bit further from this first little edge right there. Let me see if you guys can see that right there. So then now you have enough room, should have enough room with this, that we can take the dead cat right here and just go ahead and throw that on. And so now we have this completely on, and if we need to, we can back this part up if you want it going back a little bit more. But there's that one, it looks like almost completely set up. And then again, you want to make sure the bottom part here is completely loose, so I was screwing it the wrong way. Okay, so we got the cold shoe mount right here, and you just take this, slide it in just like that, and then now it is tight right there, not going anywhere. And then the next step would be to figure out where the mic port is, which on the 70D it's here on the side, and also make sure that your camera supports that and has mic port, because some of them don't. And then once that's open, you just take that, plug it in just like that, and then you would go to the back of the mic where this other port, headphone jack is, and plug it in right here, which I guess is a little bit harder to do with one hand, so we're going to take it, there we go. Now we got it plugged in, so this is what it looks like right here with it on. And so yeah, so that's the camera with that on, and now we are going to back out. Okay guys, so we have unboxed and installed the Rode Video Micro. Now before I go, I just wanted to give a couple reasons why I picked this one up out of other options or anything else, because I know there are some slightly cheaper than this, there are plenty more expensive than this. I picked this one because I already own one and I liked its quality. I think it sounds fine, especially for what I'm doing here, where I'm just inside the majority of the time shooting in my room. But they are like the cheapest one out of the Rode line, which is like 60 bucks. So I think it's like a mid-range for the like a little mic to go up top of your camera. And then the next big reason I picked this one is because I like that there is no battery. So I don't have to worry about ever needing to swap batteries or making sure I have a battery in this to get the microphone to work. You just plug it in and it is ready to go. And again, these things are simple to use. As long as your camera has a microphone port, then it's literally just plug and play. At least since I've had one, I haven't done much with the audio settings. Again, I think it sounds fine. And again, for 60 bucks, I think they're a good price. I don't think they're that bad. I do like also, this isn't the most important thing, but I do like the red and black scheme, especially with like some of the other Canon stuff, and like my Joby tripod, it's all red and black, which I guess that probably doesn't matter to most, but I do. It's just a little bonus, something that I like. So if you guys have any of the Rode mics or one of these, let me know what you think of them in the comments below. If you enjoyed the video and want to see more, please hit that thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.